What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, Itty Diggy J Diggy 92. Ah, damn it, she got. I was about to get you too. Got it back. Got it black in blood, nigga. Your boy J Diggy 92, the finesse guy, coming back at y'all with another unboxing on your dog ass. So no, it was the box. Blue in the door. It was the box. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe for me if you haven't already. And yeah, man, let's get into this shit. So this box right here is coming from Alpha Industries. I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but yeah. So I was flipping through so I could like cross off like addresses and stuff, so y'all didn't get my personals, even though it's not my personals. And it says do not use blades to open, so I can't use a box cutter in this. So I'm gonna have to use my hands, and it's about to get violent. God damn it! I gotta put you down real quick, okay? Daddy gotta get violent. She looked at the camera like, oh shit. Give me a few seconds, alright? She looked at me, what the fuck? That worked. Sorta. Alright, so I'm gonna just sit it down right here and I'm gonna pull it out. Pause. Your face. Alright, so we got one. That's kind of light. And two. Receipt right here. And yeah, let's get into it. You want the box? Alright, so today we got, I don't know if y'all can see this print or whatever, but an ape named Ape. Help from his friend, an ape named Ape. It's like, nah, but nah, man, we just got some bathing ape. So this is like my first bathing ape cop or anything. So let's go ahead and get opening this. Oh, this is dummy like. Alright, so today's unboxing. Ooh, that's kind of clean. That's a little dog tag and shit. We just got this bathing ape liner. So it's essentially just a liner that goes inside the jacket, but it's like a jacket in itself. So I went ahead and copped this. I really think it's dope. I copped it from Alpha Industries. Alpha Industries was the only place I seen that had this one. To be real, they sold out everywhere else and they was going for like double the price. For these I paid, where is the, I guess they don't got the receipt. I'll put it on the screen. So that's how much I paid for them. And yeah, so I got this one in the extra large, and then I showed it to Savage Beauty, and she was like, "Oh, I like that. Like that's dope. Like I like the print and blah blah blah." Cause like on the back, I can see it's like the bait camo, and then on the back it says A8 by a bathing ape / Alpha Industries, right? So she really liked the camo print, and I was like, you know what? I ain't bought Savage Beauty some shit in a very, boy, I thought that was something else. I was about to end this video so fast, but nah, I haven't bought Savage Beauty some shit in a very long time, so I went ahead and bought her one too. So hopefully we can get her reaction on camera. Probably what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just set the camera up and I'm gonna just tell her I want to see her reaction and basically have her say if she like it on me or not, and then I'm gonna pull this out and be like, well, cool, I got you one too. So I'll see y'all whenever she get here, and then we can do that like that. Hopefully she comes here, because I know she got shit she doing after work, but I don't know what time after work. So I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I'll see y'all.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so we back. That's her. Alright, And me. And me.
That's her. I am her.
I'm Caillou.
Oh, I thought you was doing the Muppets. You must not know what I'm talking about. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna get her reaction to how this looks.
I already like it.
You pick Booba.
Come here, Poopa Booba. No, what? Fuck. She tried to, the people on YouTube, she tried to choke me up. She did like this. Yeah. Right my neck. Right up here on my throat. And I was like, fuck.
You smell nice on your head. What happened?
Wash the head.
Ooh.
I know y'all can't see it. I look like Wizard Kelly to y'all.
Never correct wizard's English. Oh, and by the way, you fired.
I like it a lot more in person.
That didn't work.
It's okay. I like it a lot better in person. Look at the bake. Peep the bake. Peep the details.
Oh, my knee.
Ooh, I heard that.
I know I didn't tell y'all, but I've been dealing with like food poisoning for like the last 2 days, so I'm just getting over that shit. So, yeah, that's why I'm cracking. Yeah, that's what we gonna say. Food poisoning made me crack.
Crack.
The cracking. But I mean, I'm still Wizard Kelly, but
Yeah, you are.
here's how I look.
He got his knees bent and is still.
I could try.
I like it a lot.
Like the box. Don't try to rub on
I
my
wasn't
booty.
trying to grab on your booty.
Freak ass.
I was trying.
Yeah, we caught you in 4K. Freaky ass.
I swear I was trying to. I don't even want to do it now. I was trying to grab
Try
it.
to graze my ass on the low. Niggas on some. You know niggas go to jail for that?
Let me see this part right here.
You know niggas go to jail for that? This comes over too.
Oh, that's cool.
You know.
What's this one? Is that a child soldier?
It's like toy soldiers.
I just read a book about child soldiers. That's why it's on my mind.
Yeah, I like the back.
I like
I
the
wish
back
the back
too.
was just like that.
What do you mean, like all the way around?
Yeah.
Nah, I like
Yeah,
the way it
fine.
is. I think if it was all that, I might not like it as much.
The only thing throw me off is because the pocket's like this and not like this. But
You look mad weird standing out in the cold with your hand in your pocket. Well, that's what you got. That's what you got pants pockets for.
she was looking.
Nice footwork, nigga. Yeah, go ahead, Justin Timberlake.
So you fuck with it? It's
Yeah,
dope.
yeah. I told you when you sent it to me. What's that hanging out the back at the top? It's like
It's the tag.
a dog tag.
Tag.
Oh, it's
So
a dog tag. That's cool.
You can see it.
Yeah, let me see.
Look, now we gonna get a closer look. Oh boy.
So this is a dog tag.
Mhm. That's cool.
So you like it?
Yeah, I do. You got a. What's this? Here you go. Only reason something would be bought in a size small is because it's for me.
I like presents. I'm gonna open it now. Where the fuck is my jacket?
You didn't want a jacket.
You gotta fuck you know. You ain't even ask.
You look like a picture in your pocket.
You ain't even ask me. Nobody ever asked me what I want.
You don't even like wearing clothes.
Yeah, whatever. It's a thought.
I thought about you.
I doubt it.
Hopefully it fit.
Look at the.
It's a men's.
It's the men's. I mean, I can do something with it.
This nigga said something.
It's because it's so like oversized on me.
It's a small.
Yeah, but it's still
Glad I didn't get a medium.
the pockets ain't as bad as you think. I guess.
Well, yeah, because your pockets is down here. Mine is near my fucking nipples.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Yeah. I told her not to get it.
I know, mommy don't deserve stuff from dad.
No. Whatever.
You got something to say?
No.
Okay.
I only choked again.
Thank you. I like it.
I'm excited. So excited. I'm gonna take it to Chicago.
This ain't even her love language.
It's not.
It's mine.
He don't care about my love language, so.
She be wanting quality time, and I'm over here all the time.
I want quality time. Mine is 2. I have 2.
Mine is 2. Looking at.
I like quality time and physical touch, and you don't be wanting to do neither.
I do be spending quality time. I'm always over
You
here.
just be here. That don't mean we
That's
spend
quality time.
But we don't be spending quality time.
Man, we ain't about to go.
We ain't. Yeah, that's not what this
God
is. This ain't a podcast.
What you think, boo?
We been stopped doing that podcast.
Mommy and Daddy look swifty. They look better.
I agree. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it. I was wondering. I was like, why?
But yeah, this is Wizard Kelly. Signing off.
What does it kill y'all?
Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Get that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the God Squad. Lily, you got anything you want to promote? Think about it for a second. No? Okay. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You looking for stuff?
Fuck. I got a gaming chip.
No, you don't. But, nah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Bye.